Hi everyone, I'm Nikki. Today we will talk about cautions of charging, which means when we charge the batteries, what we should pay attention to, and also it's a topic of safety.
As our topic today is about the cautions of charging. So firstly, let me introduce the matters attention when charging. When charge DJI Aegis batteries, there are some information you need to pay attention to. Firstly, please try to charge the batteries outdoors in cool conditions, okay? Because the air flow will be better and it's safer also. But if the weather is not good, for example, it's going to rain, then please do not charge outside. Then you could charge indoor with windows open. Secondly, please try to avoid charging in the car because sometimes it's not very safe. If really you have to charge the battery in the car, then the exhaust of the generator must be facing outwards. When charging, the temperature besides the exhaust of generator could be very high, so it's a little dangerous. And also, no plastic, battery, or other items at the exhaust port, just for safety. Actually, for charging, there are more details you have to pay attention to. Here we will mention a term, which is SQMM, and it is short for square millimeter. This term describes the diameter of the electricity wire used to charge. When multiple chargers charging at the same time, be sure to calculate the total power and matching with a reasonable wire SQMM. This is an important thing for the safety. If the total power in the house or in the place to charge is not enough for the charging, or the SQMM of the electricity wire is not suitable, then it could be dangerous when charging. When calculating the total power, the wires should be at least 30% redundant, which means generally when charging the batteries, we will use the electricity on other electric devices, for example, the refrigerator, air conditioner, etc. So there should be at least 30% of redundance. And also here it shows for different kinds of chargers, the power is different. For example, for T30 chargers, it reaches 7,200 watts. So put two plugs in the same socket is prohibited because overloading may cause spontaneous combustion. And here I give you a table which describes the power of different kinds of chargers and the recommended wire SQMM per unit or for 2 units for your reference. And also furthermore some notice for you. Okay, this information is very important. Now it is a very important issue for you. The handling method when the drone impacts electric wire. I think you have similar experience in your life when you use the agriculture drone. For example, you may find some poles, electricity wire in the field before you spray, right? And other obstacles. So if you are not careful enough, then the agriculture drone may impact the electric wire. Here we would like to discuss how we could avoid the accident happening, and also what we could do when the drone impact electric wire. Firstly, what we could do is to survey the environment before operation. We generally have to plan the field before flight, right? So, firstly, we have to survey the environment for safety and pay attention to the obstacles like electric wires and poles, something like that. So we could avoid the obstacles mostly. And secondly, if work at night, for example, some people may like to spray at night, right? Then please remember to do the obstacles planning during daytime to avoid collisions. And also make a safe distance of more than 6 meters to avoid the impacting. But if this accident really happens, we could not handle by ourselves, okay? This is very dangerous. What we could do is to contact the professional personnel of the power supply company to handle it. we should call them and ask for their help because they are professional. So this course will tell you what we should pay attention to when charging and also how to keep safe when we charge the batteries and also use the agriculture gym. Safety should be always in the first place for us.